Okay. Now exercise 3D. Exercise 3D. So the first question is the Roman first one first. Find the determinant of the following matrices. Find the determinant of the following matrices. I determinant of the following matrices. Okay. So now the first bit is if matrix is 2 1 1 minus 5. Okay. So in this case, here we have 2 by 2 matrix. So in 2 by 2 matrix, we have to multiply in a cross way. So see the solution. Solution. Let's suppose this matrix doesn't has any name. So first we are going to give a name. Let this matrix is matrix A. What? Matrix A 1 minus 5. Okay. So now the determinant A will be I have to multiply in a cross way. So see, I will use first these and then I will use this. So first it जो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज में पहले डायरेक्शन जा रहा है उसको लेंगे. So here 2 into minus 5, then minus again 1 into 1. So 2 into minus 5 minus 10 minus 1 into 1 1. So here the answer will be minus 11. So determinant A is determinant A is minus 11. Understood, girls? So this is how we are solving determinant of matrices. Now second question. Second question is also very easy. Do yourself, girls, and let me answer. Let me know your answer. 4, 5, 6, 2. I'm waiting for your answer. Okay. Solution. Let A is equal to, okay, 1710002 answer is correct answer. So let's do how 38 is coming. So the question is the given matrix, suppose it's a 5 minus 6 2. So for finding determinant in 2 by 2, in case of 2 by 2 matrix, we have to just multiply in a cross way. So that will be 4 into 2 minus 6 into 5. Okay, 4 to the 8 minus and minus 6 into 5, 30 minus 30. So minus minus will be positive. So this will be 30 positive and we will get 30. So determinant A will be 38. Okay. Now, how many of them have you got 38 answer? One, two, three. I got Who is Galaxy J2? Who is she Galaxy J2? Girls, please leave your response in chat box. Okay, now see the third question. Third question. The third question is I 0 0 minus I. So this is also a simple question. Let's solve together. So solution will be, let that matrix, we are giving a name A. A is equal to I 0 0 minus I. Okay. Now determinant A will be I into I, sorry, I into minus I into minus I minus 0 into 0. So here this will be minus I square. I know I square is nothing but 1. I square is nothing but minus 1. So here minus I square is nothing but 1. I is a imaginary number. I is a imaginary number. Whenever I square is there, that means I square is equal to minus 1. Okay. So this will be 1. Minus minus will get positive. So determinant A will be 1. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh, please note down this. I asked who is she Galaxy J2 2018? BB Halima. Okay, no problem. So see the fourth question. See the fourth question. The fourth question is, here we have 3 by 3 matrix 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 0. Let's do it together. So in 3 by 3 matrix, we just don't solve, just see how I am solving. And in next question, we will be solving together, okay? So just see how I am solving. The solution is, let's first we have to give a name. This matrix is A. So here 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. So in 3 by 3 matrix, whenever is there 3 by 3 matrix, we have to use first row elements or first column elements, or any rows or any column element, we have to multiply with cofactors, with corresponding cofactor. Okay. So here again I will be using first row element. Okay. So determinant A will be, I am using first rows element. So here I will use 0 with corresponding cofactor. So here the cofactor will be, suppose this is the element, the cofactor will be these 4 elements. So here the cofactor will be 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now minus the second element of first row is B. Is B. So wait a minute. I'm taking. Okay. So here this is, suppose this is the element. So the cofactor will be these and these. We have to multiply this row and this column, then we will get cofactor. So cofactor will be 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Now wait, see, this is our third element. Third element C. So we have to multiply with their cofactor. So the cofactor will be, I have to multiply the respective column and respective column or respective row. So the rest of part will be cofactor. So here the cofactor is these and these. So here 1, 1, 0, 1. Girls, understood this step? How I used or how I did to find determinant A? I used the first row's three elements and I multiplied with their element with their cofactors. Okay. Now, if I have a 2 by 2 matrix, so I know how to find how to solve this. So here 0 will be, so here 0 into 0, we have to multiply in a cross way, minus 1 into 1 minus b. Here this will be this. So here 1 into 0 minus 1 into 1, and here c. Sorry, this is not a c. This is 1. So the third element is 1. Third element is 1, and this is not a b. This is not a b. This is 1. This is 1 and this is 1. So here this will be multiplied with 1 and 1, and I have to multiply in a cross way, 1 into 1 minus 1 into 0. Okay. Now just simplify this. So 0 multiply with any things, it will come 0, then minus 1 into 0. So here minus 1 is there and minus 1 will be here, and minus 1, and here 1 into 1 will be 1, minus 1 into 0 will be 0. So here 0 minus 1 will be plus 1, and here minus 1, sorry, this will be positive, this will be positive. So here will be positive, plus 1 plus 1, plus into plus 1 plus 1. So this will be plus 2. Okay, so this is how we are solving determinant in 3 by 3 matrix. So if you have any doubt, I can repeat once again. Just let me know who has doubt in case of 3 by 3 matrix while finding determinants. No doubt, sir. Okay, so I have a fifth one question. So I'm just gonna write the fifth one question. The fifth one question. The fifth one is 3 by 3 matrix. Do yourself 1, 4, 2, 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 7, 6. So do this question with yourself. If you will have any difficulties, I will try to help you. Okay. So determinant A will be 1 minus 1, 4, 7, 6 minus 4, 2, 3, 4, 6 plus 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 6. Here 1 minus 1 into 6 minus 7 into 4 minus 4, 2 into 6 minus 3 into 4 plus 2, 2 into 6 minus 3 minus 1. Okay, so this will be minus 6, 28, 12, and this will be positive 12 plus 2, this will be 12, and plus, okay, now this will be minus 34, this will be 12, 12, 24, 24, 96, this will be 96, 12 plus 12, 24, 24 into 4, 96 plus 2, 9. So here minus 34 minus 96 plus 18. Just deduct the 18 from minus 34 minus 96 and 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 20, 6, 16, 16, then 1 not something, 34, etc. What the answer, girls? 96. I did mistake somewhere. 12, 3, 9, 18. Girls, what the answer is?
Minus 112.
Minus 112. Minus 112 is not a correct answer. So let me check where I did mistake. Okay, so okay, this is correct. Minus and 2, 3, 4, 6. This is correct. This is also. So here I did a mistake here. So this is 7. Okay, this should be 7. So this should be 7. So this will be okay. This should be 7. So this is 14, 14. Then this will be 11, and this will be 20, 22. 11 to the 22. Now reduce. Okay. So here, if I will reduce minus 96, then minus 1, 2. So this will be 108. So this is the answer as far as I know. How many of them get minus 108? Girls, do you have any doubt in this question? In fifth question, if you have doubt, okay, 171002 got minus 108. Okay. Girls, if you have any doubt in this question, then I will repeat again. If not, then we will proceed our chapter. Okay. Now the sixth question. The sixth question is, this is also a 3 by 3 matrix. The sixth question, the matrix is 2 minus 1, 4, 2 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Okay. Now let's do it together. Let's see who will get the first answer. Solution. Let the matrix, the given matrix is A, 2 minus 1, 4, 4 minus 3, 1, 1, 2, 1. So determinant A will be 2 into 3 to 1, 1, minus and minus again, and the cofactor is 4, 1, 1, 1, then plus 4, the cofactor is 4, 1, minus 2. Okay, so this will be minus 3 into 1, minus 2 into 1, minus minus will be positive. So here 4 into 1, minus 1 into 1, plus 4, 4 into 2, minus, then minus into 1. Okay, so here 3 into 1, minus 3 into 1, minus 3, minus 2 into 1, 2, plus 1, 4 into 1, 4, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, plus 4, 4 into 2, sorry, 4 into 2, 8, 8, then plus 3. So here will be minus 5 plus 3 plus 8 plus 3, 11. So here minus 10 plus 3 plus 44. So just reduce minus 10 from 44. I will get 3 plus 30. So here will be 34. 34 plus 3, 37. Okay. So the determinant A is nothing but 37. Understood, girls?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, mashallah, you are faster than me. Have 7, 8, 9, 10 questions. fourth question is, so we are question is 1, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1, 7, 2, 4 minus 6. So let's see who will get the first. Sir, when are the colleges going to reopen?
Is equals to 1 4 minus 1 7 2 4 7 minus 6.
Here,
That A is equals to 1
1 minus
4
4, 7 minus 6 minus 2, and their cofactor is 4, 2,
4
7 minus
7
6,
2 minus 6
then minus 3,
4
and their cofactor is
4
4,
2
2,
minus 1 4,
okay,
which is equals to
okay. So here I will multiply in a cross way, minus 1 into minus 6, minus
minus 4
4 into 7,
into 7 is minus 2. 4 into
4
minus
into
6
minus 6, minus 7
minus
into
7 into
2,
2 minus
4
3
into
4
4,
into 4
minus
minus
minus 1
minus
into
1 into
2.
2.
Okay, so here let's see the next step.
1 6
1
6
minus 1 to 6 minus 6.
minus
This
4
will be
7
minus
28
28 minus
minus
2
2 4 6
minus 24.
24
Then 7 into 2
14
minus 14
minus 3
minus 3. 4 into
16
4 16. Then
minus
minus
2
minus will be positive. So
plus
this
2
will be 2.
plus
Okay.
2
Minus 6 minus 28. It will be minus
minus
34.
34
फर्स्ट में
minus 2
माइनस
2.
6 आता है ना.
Okay, okay. This will be positive. This will be
yes
positive.
sir
So minus plus 6. Let me erase this. Okay. So plus 6 minus 28
it is
will
equals
be
to
minus
minus
22.
22
Then minus 24
minus
minus
2
14. 28, 38. So this will be minus 38 and
minus
3.
18
16 plus 2,
18
18. 18.
minus 22 minus 38 8 and 16 another 30 46 plus 46
76.
76 50 76 54
Just add them. Minus 54 minus 22. So 76
76
minus,
minus 67
no, 76. This will be 0.
0
Let me check whether the answer is correct or not. Yes, answer is
yes sir that's
0.
correct yes
Okay. So have you understood how we are solving, how we are finding determinant A or determinant of matrix? If you have any doubt in finding determinant, then let me know. I will try to explain how we are solving determinant.
no doubt sir
No doubt, sir. Okay, no problem. So here I have a 3.5 minutes. So in 3.5 minutes, we can solve one more question. So just we are solving one more question.
Yes,
The
sir.
question number, which question I have to take? 8, 9, 10. You tell me. Say fast. I have a 3 minutes.
9.
8, 9. Okay. We are taking question number 9. So the question 8 and 10 will be homework. Okay. Question 8 and 10 will be homework, and you have to send your homework to the Meher madam, and Meher madam, I will check to Meher madam. Okay. So here the
Okay, sir.
9 question is A B C, A B C, then B C A,
A, C, A, B.
C C A B. Okay. The question is, now the solution will be, let
Let
the given matrix
is
is
equal to A, B, C, B,
A
C,
B
A, C, A,
C
B.
B C A C A B. Okay. Now determinant A will be A, the cofactor of A, C A, A B, and minus B, the cofactor of B is B C A B, plus C, the cofactor of C is B C C A. Okay. Now just multiply in a crossway, C into V minus A square minus B, B square minus A into C plus B into A minus C square. Okay. So here just multiply A with all terms. Here A into B into C minus A cube, then minus B cube, then minus minus will be positive. Then here also A, B, C, then again A, B into C, then minus C cube. Okay, girls. Now here I have a A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So here I have a 3 time A, B, C. So I will write 3 time A, B, C. Now minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. So this is the answer. Okay. So within 2 minutes or within 1.5 minutes, we can solve determinant question. Sir, y minus b. Okay, y minus b. It should be positive. So actually, I'm going to tell you why we are taking.
Sir, we can't hear you.